Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen and today is a Dollar Tree haul. So we spent a lot of money on this, but I have a ton of different video ideas finally for you guys, and I'm going to show you guys some items that we got for our upcoming trip. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so I have things in order as much or as good as possible. So the first thing is these bags right here. So I saw Whitney from Whiskey and Wit do a fun DIY with these. So I think I'm going to do kind of the same thing as she did. So be on the lookout for fun, but we are going on a trip and I thought both my girls would be able to have like their own chapstick or snacks or sunscreen or whatever they choose to put in here on hand, and you can just carry it around like this. So I think these are really cool and only for $1.25. I also found in the section a fun hat. So I think I'm going to do some sort of iron-on for summer for this. And then I also found a tank top. I do not have, honestly, any tank tops, and I kind of wanted one. This one seems that it would be my size, and I do plan on doing some sort of iron-on decal with my Cricut for this. The Cricut video is just because I like using my Cricut, nothing crazy, nothing like super serious or anything like that, but wanted to do something fun with my Cricut. It has been a while since I have got that out. The next thing I found is one of my favorite items is these reusable lunch sets. So they had these like plastic lunch sets. It's by Full Circle, and I'm gonna look that up to see if it's actually name brand or how much these cost somewhere else. But these were obviously $1.25, and you get a sandwich bag and then you get a snack sized bag. I actually picked up 3 of these. I think this will be so nice, and I don't have to keep buying plastic Ziploc bags. They also had this. This is a reusable travel set. So I'm not sure. I think this is for food too. It says 2 reusable food safe. So I think these are kind of for snacks too. But this one has some cactuses on it. I think this one is super cute. I love the print on this one. And then this one just had like the greenery, or I'm not even sure what kind this is, but I thought these were really, really neat, and I can't wait to use those. It's actually kind of exciting. Okay, so we are traveling, so I'm just gonna show you guys like some fun stuff that I found. I love when I can find name brand products that you know is just a ton more money at Walmart. They had these really cool activity packs. These are by Crayola, and they have the little activity set, plus they come with 4 of these twistable crayons. Now when I buy these twistable crayons for my kids, they're like $10 for like the whole 12 pack or 24 pack or something like that. But I thought this was a really cool deal. And then we picked up 2 of those. Also grabbed this play pad. I loved these. I feel like these were not called play pads, fun pads when I was a kid, but these are always fun because they have a ton of different activities to do. I thought that while we were chilling out in a hotel room, like getting ready for bed, this would be kind of perfect for that. And of course, my youngest picked out coloring books. There's a ton of activities in these too, and it is still pretty inexpensive, even though these are $1.25 now. I think it's still a great deal because you go to Walmart, coloring books are like $3.99, if not more. I did not know the price of coloring books until I would buy them somewhere else or even look at them somewhere else. I don't think I've ever bought them anywhere else but Dollar Tree. They also had this Crayola Color Wonder Mess Free. They only had the baby shark, and my youngest daughter said it was fine. She likes coloring with these, and she does like that mess-free coloring, and she can do this in the car. Also in this same coloring book aisle, I grabbed some coloring books. They had Elvis coloring book. I thought this was the coolest thing. I was thrilled to find this. I love Elvis, and they had some, look how cool this is. They also had the classic movie coloring book I did grab, and then they also had the Beatles. I do not like the Beatles, so I did not pick that one up, but I thought those were really cool, and I love coloring. I usually like to use Sharpies with these, or you could use colored pencils because the print sometimes is just a little bit smaller, but I thought these were the coolest. The next thing, we grabbed a word search. I just like doing these anyways, but we did pick this up for our vacation. And then a book. I'm obsessed with finding books and buying books from the Dollar Tree. And they're only $1.25, so even if they're not that great, you can just go donate them. You didn't spend a ton of money on books. And like the regular price of these, this one is regular price $10. So I thought that was a great deal. Also, this little notebook right here, I'm gonna do a fun little craft with this, but these are super cute on the inside too. So, and they have like a little soft cover. I can't wait to do something with this, probably with my Cricut. And then this is like another fun little thing. So I'm gonna do like a Cricut video just for fun. And I did find some like super cute blanks for that. So I did find this little purse right here. I figured we could put money in this and take this on our trip as well, or snacks. I don't know. There's always something you can put in these. Okay, I guess that is like kind of the end of the fun stuff. I'm gonna jump into some crafting stuff, or things that I will be using for crafting. They had wooden wreath bases. So this is a 12" by 12". I've never seen these. I honestly have not been to the Dollar Tree in a couple months. And then if I have been, I honestly haven't bought anything. I just kind of walked out. So this little 12" by 12" wood base. I picked up one of these LED candles. They always have these, but I did grab one of those. I also saw this. I don't know if these are new or not. It says home is where you hang your heart. I love these. This looks like more like a barn to me. They have these usually around Valentine's Day, but this one was really cute. So I had to grab this. I will be doing something different with that. I also picked up a galvanized jar. I've used these plenty of times, but I do have a fun patriotic video for you guys. So I grabbed that. Love these signs. This one says love, this one says home. I do plan on tearing these off because these galvanized pieces are just glued on. So I figure I could take that off, sand it down, do something different with these. But I picked up two. I found these chipboard shapes, and they do have colored ones. So I thought those are pretty neat. You get a 3-pack, and these are just some green leaves. I also grabbed rub-on transfers. I have actually never seen the USA Patriotic rub-on transfers, or at least I've just never picked them up because I don't really do a ton of Patriotic DIYs, but thought that could be fun. Also, they have iron-on patches. I thought these were really cool. So they have a sports one with basketball and soccer. They have this Taco Tuesday and pizza one. They had a llama and an avocado. And I thought these would be really fun and pretty inexpensive for patches. Another, like a couple like really random items. A&W root beer, you add this to your waters, and this actually tastes like root beer. This is amazing. So if you love pop, but you don't want to actually drink pop, try these, add them to your water. It is incredible. Also, I thought this was really cool, Bazooka bubblegum. If this doesn't take you guys back in, I mean, I was born in the 80s, later 80s, so I guess I grew up in the 90s, we'll say, but I always had this, and I remember the little comics. I don't know if there's comics in this one, but it'd be cool if there was. Oh, I guess I do have some more crafting stuff. So I did grab these felt flower kits. I have grabbed these before, but I thought these were really cute for summer crafts. I also grabbed beads. They have glass beads. I picked up a blue pack and a like silver and white packs of these. I did grab a little quick first aid kit just to have some band-aids. There's like 15 items in here. I think they're mostly band-aids, so that'll be perfect. 15 is plenty. Also, my daughter's birthday is this week, so I wanted to pick up just a couple more things. We pretty much have all the decorations already. I make my girls party tables every single year for their birthdays, and I feel like they just get bigger and better. So I did want to pick up a couple more things. I did finally learn how to do bloom garlands. So I'll be making a huge one this week. But I found these little latex balloons with the colored flakes in them, or the colored, not sure what they are, like the foils. But I thought these were cool, and these are gonna fit perfectly with her theme. It's just I do Squishmallow birthday party, but we needed some like extra fun balloons. Also found these little picks right here. I think Dollar Tree has like super fun birthday section, and they're only $1.25 for these items, so I think that's really great. I also pick up a lot of stuff at Walmart too, because some of their items are only 98 cents still, which is also an amazing deal. I grabbed this tissue tassel garland. I think this is so pretty, and it's kind of foily and sparkly and pretty. I love that. Also, they had these inflatable headbands. You get 6 in a pack. So you just blow these up, I think, just like those balloons with like the numbers that you kind of just, I don't know. That'd be kind of fun. So we grabbed these panda ones. This has nothing to do with the party, although they do have Squishmallow pandas. So I think they have Squishmallow pandas. I'm sure they do. They have Squishmallow everything. Another really cool find is loom bracelets. So if your kids like to do loom bracelets, also I like doing loom bracelets. They have loom items with little rubber bands, and these are rainbow loom. They had these confetti type ones, and we've bought some of these at Michael's before, and I think they're like $3.99 to $4 a pack. You get 600 of them, which you think 600 is a lot until you're like picking through the colors and you don't have enough colors. So we did pick up 2 of these. I'm trying to like see if that focuses in a little bit. All right, so these ones are really cool. So it's like clear, and then it has like different colors around it. And then these were just pretty. These were like a pastel. And then they also had these really cool ones. So these actually came with the little holder to make the looms. We don't actually use those, but maybe it'd be cool. And then they also had like little charms on this. So they had a zoo one. So they picked up 2 of these zoo ones, a food one, and a fairy one. So this one has like little unicorns and stuff in it. I thought those were really cool, and honestly, for the price of some of these like loom bracelet items, this is a steal for sure. Also, I had to pick up some candy for our road trip. I love these Willy Wallaby licorices. They're my favorites. Watermelon kind is honestly my favorite, but I picked up 2 of these for our road trip. So I grabbed the blueberry pomegranate ones and just like the original boring old licorice, but these are honestly my favorite. They have them at Tractor Supply too. They probably have them other places too, but for $1.25, even if you had to buy 2 of each to make like the one size at Tractor Supply, it's still a lot cheaper because I think they're like $3.99 or $4 or more. $3.99, $4, same thing, at Tractor Supply. So I think this is a steal, and it's so good. They're always so soft. Also, how cool are these? These ones are the crybaby kind. My youngest daughter, Presley, loves anything sour and disgusting, so these are right up her alley for sure. All right, we're going into Patriotic. So I wasn't sure if I was gonna do any type of Patriotic anything this year, but I decided to still decorate my tier tray in Patriotic decor. Although I don't know where mine is. I don't know where it is. So I did just grab some new stuff so I can do some DIYs and do some more tier tray decor. So this, I grabbed napkins. Napkins are fun. They had just flag ones, which, I mean, these are so cool. They just had star ones. I think this would be great for like a background pattern. And then I love America. I think these ones are really, really pretty. So I grabbed those 3 napkins, and these were all from Dollar Tree. I've never seen so many different patterns of napkins unless I just go way early in on the season and don't get them while they're available. Or I get them, or I go too early and I never see everything. Also, wooden bead decor is, I love that they have these for $1.25. One has the flag, and then the other one says USA in a blue star. But these are great quality. I think they're cute. They're gonna look good in tier trays or a vignette or anything like that, but if you see these, grab them. They also had bead garlands, or beads garland. So they had the red, and we have 2 of those for whatever reason, and then we have the blue one. And these are great. They also give me like old, like primitive vibes. Before I used to decorate my home in farmhouse, I loved doing it in primitive decor. They also had party poppers, which how fun are those? So there's like, it looks like a lot of stuff comes out of this. There's like shoots confetti and streamers, 8 up to 8 feet, spring loaded. There's like a bunch of goodies in this. That's cool. Also grabbed these 20 mini cups for some DIYs. A star wreath form, and then this USA flag decor piece, super cute. And last but certainly not least, we have this little welcome sign. I know they had these last year, and I feel like I had the trucks. I've got to look for my decor because I know I have some really cool stuff, but I just grabbed this for a Patriotic DIY. But you guys, that is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, consider sticking around and subscribing. I will see you guys the next one. Bye.